Hello there, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. Fancy seeing you here. Well, I'm glad you are, because today I'm going to show you around this brilliant little Kia Sportage. It's got the 1.6 litre petrol engine, this car. It's in fantastic condition and it's been very well looked after. In this video I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Right, this is our Kia Sportage. Now, this will be delivered to its new owner with a fresh 12-month MOT and a service. We service all our cars before they leave here, the Clever Car Collection, so it will be all up to speed. It comes with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty. You can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise if you so wish. Like I say, it's got the 1.6 litre petrol, 6-speed manual gearbox, 135 brake horsepower and 44 miles to the gallon, many miles. It's had 2 previous owners, comes with 2 keys, it's got remote central lock-in and it's insurance group 14E, and you can see it is cleaned up absolutely beautifully. My colleague has been hand polishing this all day with our Auto Glim products and it's come up absolutely stunning. In this video I'm going to show you around anything that I've seen. It is in good condition for its age and mileage. It's done 88,900 miles, first registered in September 2014. Right, let's start at the front here. As you can see, it's got beautiful grey paintwork, front fog lights, daytime running lights just down there. I will learn how to point one day. 17-inch alloy wheels, plenty of tread on the tyres, a couple of minor marks on them, but nothing major. Walking down the driver's side, nothing sticks out if I'm honest. Looks really good. You can see me walking around in the background. You've got rear privacy glass, this alloy wheel, a couple of minor marks, but plenty of tread on that tyre. Rear parking sensors around the back here. Lovely sized boot. These Sportages have got really decent sized boot. Got the load cover there, just flips out of the way. And a decent sized boot there. And as you can see, a full-size alloy spare wheel, which is very unusual. Coming down the passenger side, no real marks on this side to write home about. This alloy wheel, a couple of marks on it. Very minor parking dent there. Keep walking down this side. No marks on that wing mirror. This alloy wheel also looking good. Minor blemish in the paintwork there on the bonnet, but apart from that, nothing else sticking out. Windscreen, no chips on it, and it has got a double panoramic roof here, which is very nice indeed. I'll show you that when we jump inside. Just before we do that, just show you the back. Got 3 seats in the back with seat belts, but you have got this centre armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX points on both of those seats, and a nice tidy clean interior. Right, let's jump in. Right, jumping inside, we have got 2 keys, remote central locking on there. I'll jump in and show you what it's got inside. So we've got here we've got electric windows all round, electric mirrors. They do fold in too, as you can see, which I like. You've got steering wheel mounted controls. Excuse the legs, sorry, it is hot and I am wearing shorts. You've got steering wheel mounted controls here for your cruise control and here for your stereo, and just down here for your Bluetooth. Right, let's start it up, which I've forgotten to do. And I'll show you there's no warning lights on the dashboard. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 cup holders here, normal manual handbrake. Dual zone climate control, which is blowing furiously. Just here we've got USB and aux in. You can turn the parking sensors off there, and a 12-volt power socket. FM, AM stereo with Bluetooth, Bluetooth streaming, and MP3 compatibility, and a CD player. Remember that? So you can listen to Boyzone or whatever you love. Oh, yep, and no warning lights on the dash, as you can see, just the handbrake, and me not wearing a seatbelt. 88,946 miles on the clock, and all looking good. Just down here, you've got the locking wheel nuts and a decent sized glove box. Nice interior this, very, very comfortable, and you get a really good high riding position. And that sunroof, sorry, my finger, you can see there, looking really good. And there you go, opens this side. And you can see the glorious interior of the Clever Car Collection. Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, I have made a few notes. This car has had services in 2015, 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2022, and it has just been serviced by our own independent workshop. They're a Korean car specialist. Our mechanic's been working on Kias and Hyundais all of his career, so he knows these cars very, very well, and he's just given this one a service. Before it's delivered to you, it'll have a new 12-month MOT. It comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, and as I say, you can upgrade that to a 12-month warranty if you so wish. We also offer nationwide delivery, so if you like this car, we can drop it to your house. Just get in touch with us for a quote. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of being an award-winning dealership here at the Clever Car Collection, and that starts with the 5-star service we give all of our customers, and very much look forward to giving you exactly the same treatment when you come to give this brilliant family SUV a test drive. If you'd like to do that, I'm James. It's James at clevercarcollection.com, and there's more than 80 pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Thank you very much. I can't speak. Thank you for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.